This is where I'm going to build my Minecraft civilization. Starting from absolute scratch, I'm going to transform this area into one of the most advanced civilizations ever built in Minecraft, filled with thousands of players and all sorts of technology. Do fail. It's 4 hours before, when you were supposed to stasis me.
I'm sorry, Parrot.
What do you... Clown?
Well, King Parrot, we meet again.
Oh my god!
I am the deadliest player, not because I can overpower the whole server with sheer force.